What's the meaning of bookstall? Bookstall. Bookstall.
Bookstall. Bookstall. A bookstall is a small retail space or stand where books are sold, typically found in markets or on sidewalks. Often run by independent sellers, bookstalls can offer a wide range of books and publications, both new and used, at competitive prices. While the rise of online retailers has impacted the popularity of bookstalls, they remain an important part of many communities around the world. Bookstalls offer customers a chance to discover new and interesting titles they may not have encountered otherwise, as well as providing a personal and unique buying experience.